Hiccups. Lily always has the hiccups. Don't you, girl? Look how cute I look. Hey, hiccup girl. Say hey to everybody. Hey. Daddy loves you. So does Mommy. You're the best.